Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Make Money with Jay, and in today's video I'm about to show you a method using which you'll be able to make passive income effortlessly. Yes, you heard it right. In this method, you just have to install a simple application in your smartphone or your computer, and that's it. You don't have to do anything else. This application will pay you money for just installing itself. Like just imagine what could be easier than that. Now, what's the catch here? So they will be simply using your internet connection to do some research, which is completely transparent to you, and it will all be legal. So you don't have to worry about your data being misused. Your data won't be used at all. They'll be just using your internet connection to check out prices on different websites, to do various stuff on the internet, to research something so that you can get paid for that. Now before getting started, I'll recommend you to like this video and make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you get updates of our future videos as well. Now I also want you to understand that this method works for everywhere in the world. It doesn't matter which country you belongs to, this method is still going to work for you. And this method is also available on mobile phones or computers with low internet speed. You don't have to be worried that you need to have a lot of data, a lot of internet speed, because this method is available for all type of internet speeds. And in fact, they have a flexible payment method. That means that they will actually tell you that this is your internet speed, this is how many devices you're using, so this is what we are going to pay you. So everything is going to be calculated beforehand. So guys, as you can see that it says passive income effortlessly, and if I scroll down below, they'll say easy way to earn passive incomes, earn without compromising security, know exactly what your internet is used for. So you see, they're completely transparent. Now there are 5 simple steps in which this website is going to pay you. The first thing you need to do is you need to set it up. So you can install it on your Windows, Linux, Mac OS or Android device with a stable internet connection. The next thing is you need to run this application. The third thing is that it will gather all the data. Now what will happen next is that these data will be sent to the credible companies which will be used anonymously. That means your data won't be compromised. It won't tell that this is the person who is sending the data and everything. It will be completely in the background without your name, without anything, and then you will be getting paid in PayPal or Bitcoin. So you can see how good this website is, that it pays you in PayPal or Bitcoin. Now to estimate your earnings, they have even given a calculator here. As you can see that you can select how many hours it will be done, you can select how many data you can share every day, and you can get an estimate of your earnings. Now not only that, it will also tell you that the factors which will influence how much money you earn. Your location will tell you how much money you earn. This doesn't mean that you won't earn anything. Some countries might give you higher pay, while some countries might give you comparatively lesser pay. The more IP addresses connected to your internet is, the better you're going to get. And if you have better speed, you'll be making more money. If you have low speed, you'll be making less money. But you can still make money on this application. And you can see that it has over 2,697 reviews on Trustpilot, and they are being rated 4 stars. That is an incredible achievement for any application. Now if I move down below, it will just tell me a simple option which says download for Windows, because right now I'm using a Windows PC, and you can see that they're also giving away a $5 free gift card as soon as you join. So just imagine, for joining this app you get $5, and then you get passive income without doing anything for just installing this application. So guys, this application is Honeygain. You can go to honeygain.com and come to this website, and they'll be giving you $5 for simply signing up. So how to sign up? It's very simple. Click on this button here, and then you can need to enter your email, your password, and some basic information which will be added in the second step, and you can just click on sign up. You can in fact sign up using Facebook and Google as well, which is a very easy option. And you can see that it's available for Windows, Mac OS as well as Android devices. Now let me show you some other features. Now when you scroll down here at the end, you'll see an option which says download for Windows. Now this button is dynamic. That means it will change according to what device you are using. If you are using a Mac OS, it will show Mac OS. So don't worry, if you are using an Android phone, it will show you Android. You can in fact click on this download button here and get all the links at one place. Like for Android, you can see that. For Windows, you can see that. For Mac OS, you can see that. For Linux, you can see that. So all of these methods are available here on this page. Now if you have any questions, then they have this help button here. So you can click on this help button and they'll solve all of your problems. So you can see that how supportive they are. You can search for questions. You can in fact click on contact us to ask them any question related to anything. If you want to remove your account, if you want to create a new account, if you have any technical issues, if you have payout issues, everything is answerable and solvable. Now you need to click on this dashboard button here once you sign up to see the dashboard and then see how much your devices are making. Now I'll take you back to the calculator page because that's the most important part. So you can see that I'm back at the calculator. You can see that you can select the daily traffic which you can share. If you can share 10 gigabytes every day, then you can see how much money it's gonna pay you. If you can select the amount of time, it will also increase in that way. So you can see for every change you do, everything you select or deselect, there will be a different estimate of the money you're making. Now if you want, what you can do is you can install it on multiple computers. That means you can install it on your work computer, you can install it on your desktop computer at your home, you can install it on all the mobile phones in your family. And not only that, you can also ask your friends as well as other siblings and other people who are connected to you to install this application, and you'll be making money to do that. Now I want you to go down below and tell me from which location do you belong and how much estimate do you think you'll be able to make after visiting this website. So you can go to the calculator right now and check out that how much money you're gonna make. So guys, before I quit, I would like to introduce you to this amazing application called as Pockets. Now this application has been proven to make over $517 daily for my own friend Siyun. Now he don't need any kind of computer to do this thing. He's banking $517 online every single day by just using this application. This application provides him with free traffic, and now it's your turn to generate this kind of money online by coming to this web page and clicking on this button right here. Now you can even see a daily sales screenshot of the amount of money he's able to earn, and not only that, you'll also get access to some other bonuses when you click here. So go to the link in the description right now and get instant access to Pockets app and start making money online. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Now before you quit, I would like you to like this video and press the subscribe button along with the bell icon so that you get notifications of our future videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.